Hi, I'm April Golightly. Today I'm so excited to share with you how to match hot pink. An awesome way to wear hot pink is actually with black. You probably have something black in your closet. I know I do. With this outfit that I'm showing here, it's actually from the Express website. It's like a hot pink, it's a hot pink bodysuit with a black blazer and black jeans. In the summertime, like we're coming up on spring and summer, so during that time you could wear the bodysuit with say like a pair of black shorts or black jean shorts. That would be really cute. Another great way to wear hot pink is actually with navy and kind of give a nautical vibe to your hot pink. It looks really cute together. So in this look, I'm actually wearing a daily ritual from Amazon, this top that's a U-neck. It's super cute and I absolutely love this top. I have it in several different colors. This neckline is super flattering on me because I'm curvy petite, and in order to kind of slim myself and kind of make myself look thinner than I actually am, I wear like the U-neck or a V-neck. These necklines are awesome and they look great on curvy petite women. Check out this video on which necklines look best for large-breasted women. The pants that I'm wearing in this outfit are actually from Madewell. They're super cute and super comfortable, perfect for spring and summertime, really lightweight. I actually got them from the Dio website, so comfortable. I definitely want to get them in another color too. Everything that I'm talking about today, I'm going to link down below. Also, I'm going to link or say which sizes I am and also give you my measurements so that it's easier for you to shop. To add a little hot pink spice to this outfit, I actually am wearing a headband that I made from my brand Twice the Dreams. It's super cute. It's on pre-order right now. Definitely check it out. It's this like super soft, like cushy, comfortable velvet. All of my headbands are super comfortable. I make them so that they don't actually give you headaches at all. I usually get headaches from headbands, but I made them so they're super comfortable for everybody. Another great way to wear hot pink is actually with a pair of jeans. This blogger that I follow, Sandy Carves, she has this super cute outfit where she's wearing like a hot pink blazer and a pair of like light blue jeans. So singing cute for spring, summertime. Totally in love with it. Definitely, I linked her down below because she's so singing cute. You can also wear hot pink with light pink because they're like two different shades of the same color. It looks really awesome together. I found this look actually on the Net-a-Porter website. They have really stylish clothes in there. I don't know if you've ever been on their website, but it's super cute. I just love the look together, hot pink and light pink. Also, wearing like a monochromatic color scheme is very flattering and kind of makes you look taller than you are, which is awesome. I actually have a video on how to look taller and thinner, and I'm gonna link it here, or here, I think. You can also wear hot pink with silver or gray. So with this outfit, it's like a hot pink top and a pair of like gray washed shorts and like a white shirt. So stinking cute together. Love it. And it's super fun for summertime too. It's kind of a nice way to like wear the bold color and kind of tone it down with like neutrals like gray and white. Also, when you're wearing like a hot pink dress, it looks really nice with metallics like silver or gold. It looks really nice. I really like metallic shoes for like a spring, summer wedding or something. If you're gonna wear like a hot pink dress, would look really cute. So you can also go really bold with hot pink by adding another bold color. For example, yellow looks fantastic with hot pink. With this dress, I'm wearing a yellow dress and then my hot pink headband. It's really fun. You could also wear like a hot pink dress with like a yellow handbag or something like that. Sometimes you can't find like the exact matches, and instead of trying to find the exact matches, instead do some color blocking. So it'd be really fun to have like a hot pink dress and then like a yellow handbag and a pair of like silver or gold shoes would be really cool. You can also wear like hot pink within a bold print or like a tropical print. For example, I have this leopard headband where it's like the hot pink leopard and then the red background look really cute together. Also, I have this Lily Pulitzer outfit that I was trying on the other day. It's a really hot pink print, but it's got a ton of fun different colors in it. Really love this print. It's called the Tigress print. So cute. As with my headband with the hot pink and red, you can also wear hot pink and red together. I actually saw Sarah Jessica Parker wear these two colors together and my mind was blown that they look good. I was shocked. So since then, I've definitely gravitated towards hot pink and red together. So stinking cute. I found this look on Net-a-Porter's site. So pretty with this like shiny, satiny material. So awesome. But you don't have to buy something new. You can wear something that you have red and pink together in your wardrobe. Pink top, red purse, something like that. or red top, pink first, or grab this headband. You can also wear hot pink as part of a rainbow. Rainbows don't have to be traditional colors anymore with red, blue, green, violet, etc. Instead, you can throw some hot pink or light pink in there. It looks really pretty. I have this super cute rainbow skirt that I absolutely love. I think it's from Torrid. It's not available anymore, but I will find something similar if I can. Fingers crossed. Such a pretty skirt. So yeah, you could just do that and then like wear it with like a white top. And then I'm wearing it here with my pink headband. And you could just like pick any color from the rainbow and choose that as your accessories. So if you're really into blues, which I love blue, you could throw some blue accessories, or you could do the hot pink accessories, or whatever, yellow, whatever. You can also wear hot pink with white. I feel like this is super obvious, but gotta say it. You know, a hot pink top with, you know, white jean shorts. In this case, I'm wearing it with a white button-down top, tunic top, and my pink headband. Basically, my whole outfit is neutral, and then I'm adding a spice of color with my headband. That's, I mean, it's pretty easy and kind of mix up your new super neutral wardrobe by just adding a splash of color. So another color that you can try out is green. It's really pretty together. Sandy Carves is her name. I found a picture of her wearing like a hot pink top, blue jeans, and then her accessories are this kind of like minty green color. Greenish color, not minty. You know, just green. But I think mint would go well with it as well. So yeah, you could do green with it. Also, if you like Lily Pulitzer, she has a lot of like pink and green prints that are like the traditional prints that she's made for years. Have the pink and green together. That's like the traditional combo for her. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been super fun. I love pink, and I hope that you got some awesome ideas on how to wear it in this video. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell